All right, welcome to Reuven Does Something. And yeah, this is going to be something like what the... Okay, so before you continue to watch this video, whoa, I'd like to say a little bit of Akampai drinking the wine, red wine out of the white wine glasses. It's crazy. And I'd like to thank all of those YouTubers out there who made instructional videos on how to fix the sewing machine, because that helped me out a lot. And yeah, thank you very, very much. Anybody who's interested in sewing and has a broken sewing machine, well, I'm making this video to help you guys because I was helped a lot. So I want to help. I like helping. I'm a helping kind of guy. But I also like drinking wine and playing with robots and if so I have no idea how this review is gonna go because yeah, I'm gonna try very hard to keep my language clean and references to body parts to a minimum. I'm gonna try. I don't know how well it's gonna work, but I'm gonna try. So any children, anybody who's here because I typed in sewing machine fix or something like that, well then please don't watch. Okay, I'm just gonna try to keep my language clean. So what my problem was oh, there goes my sign. That's all right. This is well, let me explain my sewing machine first of all. We're looking at a Japanese sewing machine here. It's a Lohas. Yeah, I don't even know what that. It's got turtle speed and rabbit speed, which is incredible speed. That's a speed. And I bought this because two reasons. One, it was green. It had green lettering on it, and it was only like $300, and it had 66 types of stitches. So I was like, oh, I'm getting that one. So, and what my problem was that, and what I've learned from the YouTube, and thank you again, is that my hook here was not catching the loop. When I dropped the needle down, the needle would drop down. Oh, well, I'm going the other way. The hook's coming around. Hook's coming to get it, without the bobbin basket in there. The needle drops down. Where's the needle? Oh, here it comes, way up there. And the needle drops down. Let's zoom in there. No, that's as max as I can zoom. Come on, let's bring the machine up closer. So the needle was dropping down in there, and the hook, it was actually going up before the hook passed behind and picked up the loop. So my timing on my hook was off. And I think I did that because I pulled out some loose thread or something. The tension was bad, and I was like, you know, get out of there, and I forced it too much. And so in trying to repair that, I was like, well, why isn't the hook catching it? Is it too far back? And I started pushing on this this piece here, the needle. I don't know what this needle bar or something. This vertical thing that comes down. I pushed it, and what happened was I think I misaligned it, and so when I readjusted the timing, I actually broke a needle, because what would happen was that the needle was too far back, and when the hook, it would actually hit the side of the needle. And I was like, well, that isn't good. I just broke a needle. So what I did after that was, and I don't know if you can do this on your machine, and you know, and the reason I'm doing this is because I did finish university with an engineering degree. So it was in civil engineering, but Anyway, I'm not too scared of mechanical things. And I had I readjusted this using the Allen wrenches. You get these little things at the dollar store or wherever, and you just adjust those little things. And I pushed this way, and so that it kind of, and the needle went forward, if you understand what I'm saying. So I realigned the needle. It was kind of like at an angle getting hit by the hook, but I just pushed it out a little bit, and then now it seems to be working fine. So I'm happy about that. I'm gonna put it all together and see how it works. Right now it's all in, you know, pieces here, but I'm thinking everything should be aligned well. Any questions or comments, please leave them down, you know, underneath this video. And please, any nice ladies or men who do sewing, please do not watch my other videos, because you'll be like, oh my god, this guy is not a nice guy. Or this is the strangest person in the world. So, I'm drinking a Merlot Cabernet Sauvignon. I like full-bodied wines. Sewing machine pretty cool. My sewing technique ain't that good. It ain't be all that great, but sewing is fun. I got into sewing because my mother used to sew. So, and she taught me how to knit also. And I was a Boy Scout. And I like making things. So, let's see. I'm going to put it all together and see if I can put this video in 1 bit or 2 bits. And let's see how it works. Alright, bye.